Hi friend, welcome my YouTube channel. My name is Shrikant and you watching review YouTube channel. Today I am taking about world's most expensive drones. If you new my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget press the bell icon. Any inquiries of this video please comment me. Let's start the video. Today I am toking world's most expensive drones. Meet Furious, the RTF of thrilling perfection. With powerful dynamical system and swift responsiveness committed to achieving excellent flight experience. The readily flying Furious 215 racer at 215mm wheelbase is suitable for both professional racing events and thrilling freestyle flying. With advanced airframe design, featuring simple/lightweight body, robust/crashproof structure and extreme openness. It enables players to DIY upgrade or replace all key components. Having Furious 215 at hand, you can progress to excellence from underperformance. Furious, swift as lightning. ESC supporting one-shot 125/1-shot 42, high accelerator, responsiveness makes operation as swift as lightning. High performance 2500 kV brushless motor combined with 5045 propeller and force power battery, powerful momentum speaks itself. Stable center of gravity. Rectangle airframe with batteries on top, smooth and stable flight, both track racing and freestyle flight accessible. Compact gadget design saves space by removing unnecessary wiring and centers airframe. Center of gravity by lowering battery fitting surface to 30mm. Carbon fiber airframe plus independent arms. Its airframe made of high-strength carbon fiber, robust arm at 4mm thickness, 4 independent arms achieve lower maintenance cost. Integrated PDB, power distribution board, airframe is integrated with PDB that is shaped in line with airframe bottom plate to completely fit it. Electronic speed controller, ESC, output extends to arms, greatly shortening the distance of the welding wire. Onboard active beeper and integrated OSD. Provided with OSD tuning connector at its bottom for the purpose of tuning. Battery space. XT60 power connector and video transmission antenna connector are placed in its afterbody, allowing more space for batteries and obtaining better video transmission effect. By minimizing sheltering of video transmission antenna. Professional imaging system. With ultra-high reduction and ultra-wide dynamicity, the beautifully colored high-definition camera's 600 TVL exceptionally performs under the low light and backlight surrounding, and capable of perfectly adapting to complicated environments. Equipped with FOV 130-degree wide-angle lens of focus 2.5 mm, it is committed to delivering awesome visual experience. Its high-performance video transmission system supports 600 MW at maximum power switching, FCC version. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy the video. If you new my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and support me. Don't forget press the bell icon. Meet you next video.